What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats, man, back with another POV, as y'all can see, hands-free, you know what I'm saying? So, we just finna get straight into it. It's Vlogmas. Welcome to my channel, man. If you are new, hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of the Cari crew, you know what I'm saying? Hit that like button, man. Turn on post notification bells as well. It's Vlogmas. Y'all don't want to miss none of these videos, man, just to see the whole series unfold, man. It's pretty entertaining, you know what I'm saying? To see how far we come from day one to, you know what I'm saying, day 30, or whatever you want to call it. You feel me? So, yeah, man. Without further ado, we're finna get straight into it. As y'all can see by the title, we're finna learn how to use lunch mode, you know what I'm saying? We're finna learn, I said lunch mode. Lunch control, ugly ass. We're finna learn how to use lunch control for people that don't know, you know what I'm saying? For all my Mexico boys. So it's like, we're finna learn some new stuff too, something that I wanted to see anyways. You know what I'm saying, on what's going on with this lunch control. I know how to use it, but it's one thing I wanted to kind of play with. One thing I wanted to play with and see, you know, how it works. So we're gonna see. We in custom mode. My custom mode in street mode right now, so we ain't in nothing too crazy. Just something enough to, you know what I'm saying, get the job done. You know what I'm saying? And we on a quarter tank of gas. So that mean this video gotta last. It ain't gonna be that long, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see this wind a little nippy, ain't gonna lie. But it ain't that bad. It's a little nippy. But we good, we good. Well, yeah, car crew, man. Y'all comment down below, man. What y'all boy want for Christmas, man? What y'all boy trying to get this year for Christmas, man? What y'all boy trying to get, man? Boy trying to get a car, trying to get a game. Trying to get your phone, you know what I'm saying? Some shoes, clothes, jewelry, some money. Everybody just want to get some money, but, you know. We just cruising right now, so I know it's probably a little boring. Y'all boy don't click off the video yet, man. We finna get to it, man. We finna get to it, man. Trying to find somewhere smooth to do with it. Nice little hood back here. I'm finna just do it right here, I'm not gonna lie. That's what I'm finna do. Yeah, man, I'm finna, I know this sounds crazy, but I'm not finna really hit lunch control. Oh, it's a car coming. Dang, y'all messing up my mojo, man. Oh, he turning. Damn, why you ain't turn your blinker on a long time ago? That's so lame, bro. This nigga was literally turning. But launch control, man, I'm gonna talk about it before I do it so y'all can go ahead, so it won't be just, you know what I'm saying, like I'm just wasting y'all time. But, long story short, man, launch control, you hit the launch button right here, it's gonna pop up on the cluster saying, you know, woo-de-woo, put your foot on the brake. Ooh, wee. Let me get out of the neighborhood, man. Well, y'all would've saw what I just saw. Ooh, I said ZL1. Y'all would've saw what I just saw, boy. Boy, I wouldn't even make another downshift over there, man. Well, car I just seen in somebody's yard. Somebody work car. Let me turn around, bro. I don't know where I'm going. I ain't gonna even hold you. But, yeah, launch control, you hit the button, it's gonna pop up on the cluster saying, oh, this is a good little spot right here. Look at that, look at that. Let me get y'all right quick, man. Okay, launch control, it say, to launch, press brake and quickly apply full throttle. See, when you do it, you gotta hit the throttle quick. Folk be just holding, you gotta put it to the floor like this. I'ma just hold it cause I don't wanna do that. I'm just gonna see how long it's gonna hold it. that's a long, well, that's a long time. I ain't know that mother hold it that long. That's crazy, but all right, yeah. So look, you hit the launch button, put it to the floor. Let go the brake. But see, I ain't trying to do all that. You know, I could have just went crazy just then. I ain't even trying to do all that. I'm just showing y'all boy how it works, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I ain't know it hold it that long, but that's longer than 5 seconds. Oh yeah, but I'm straight. Cause see, I be trying to, sometimes I be thinking it gonna go out. I don't know when it's gonna go out or how long it is. Oh yeah, it's over with. Pause. How long it takes to, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, right. You know, y'all boy be weird. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, hit the launch button. It tells you what to do in the cluster. Just literally do what it say. Read, man. Read, man. That's it. Put your foot on the left foot on the brake, you know what I'm saying? Hold it pretty tight with the car down rolling and a little bit more. And then after that, you put the throttle all the way to the floor, but you gotta do it in one motion, like just straight down, not like roll into it or try to hold it. Some folks try to hold it themselves and manually do it. If it don't say, if the car don't shake and it say, like the car don't jerk and then it say release, brake or whatever, you ain't doing it right. You know what I'm saying? You're not doing it right. This is a good little spot right here. If you ain't doing it right. If you ain't doing it like that, I'm gonna show y'all, boy. Launch control. This time I let it go through so y'all can see what it look like. All right. Say put foot on the brake and quickly apply throttle. Y'all can see it, I mean, it was spinning and I wasn't shifting. I let it shift on its own. But that's why I don't let it redline, because it kills power, bro. Bad. Like, redlining is only for when you want to, you know what I'm saying, spin something. Like, if you ain't trying to spin something, bro, redlining is not it. Unless you like, you know what I'm saying, going 90 and up. That's the only time that jump helps, because it's smoother then. But it's too much torque. It's too much torque in the beginning. You know what I'm saying? For you to do all that. But yeah, man, y'all can see it just on slight, man. You know, you just hit the button and then the car tell you the rest. Launch control just like a tram brake. I always be telling folks too, man, they be talking about scats and stains and scats versus this, but bro, but a lot of y'all don't got that, bro. Like that real deal launch control, like that feel like, you know what I'm saying, like a tram brake, bro. And the RPMs can hold very high. Like, I think go like to 3,300, bro. For a car with no trans brake, nothing, like no crazy junk did, stop, they come with that. All you gotta do is make it fast. The launch control is gonna do everything else. You having the launch control set up how you want it and having your traction how you want it, you know what I'm saying? That's it. And the right tire, bro, that's it. The car gonna drive itself, man. That's what you pay for. If you don't know and die, bro, you paying for the performance. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You may get a little leather, a little color swap, you know what I'm saying? Little speakers and stuff like that, but other than that, bro, you paying for the power, you feel me? Why you think they used to have them deals with, like, you know what I'm saying, for however much horsepower you got, they knock off, like, I guess I have them, but they multiply by something. But they knock off, like, some other deal, like, you know, they give you a sale type, like a rebate or something. Whatever they call, I forgot, but I just know they go by the horsepower. I think they did that for me when I bought this car. So I'm like, man, come on, man. Y'all stain stock don't even make enough. The 5.0, y'all didn't even make enough to get no deal, man. Ain't no reason you ain't doing it. They gonna be like, man, you don't even gotta know horsepower, boys. You multiply that, you know what I'm saying? No, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to all the stain boys, man. Y'all keep everybody on their toes, literally. You know what I'm saying? We gotta be on our toes, boy, around y'all, but y'all like that cousin that like to steal just because, like, for fun. He'll steal from anybody. Just say he stole something. Crazy. But y'all ain't stealing from us, but we just gotta watch y'all like y'all was stealing, cause boy, y'all are cut up at any moment. Y'all boys are cut up at any moment, boy. Ooh. But yeah, man, that sun going crazy right now. But yeah, I know that sun kind of going crazy. Hopefully y'all can see pretty well. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it though. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm just doing all these videos, man. Y'all know I'm on my grind, man. I'm giving y'all the content. So y'all boys just respect the hustle and watch the video and leave a like. You know what I'm saying? Watch majority of the video. You know what I'm saying? So, ooh. Fellow scat brother, and he got a color on. I had to hit that bit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. That's how you use launch control. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Hit the button, read the cluster, push the throttle all the way down in one motion, hold it, and release the brake whenever you're ready, my brother. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty much it. Something simple, something slight for all the folks that didn't know. For the folks that do know, appreciate you for watching anyway. That means you just support me and you want to be nosy and see what I was doing. I appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? All the nosy folks. But yeah, man. Like I said at the end of my video, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit and you can touch it. Cari crew. Stay focused, stay hungry, man. Stay on the grind, do what you gotta do. Stay positive, do positive things. You can't be positive every day, all the time, because we ain't perfect, but hey, man, do positive things, man. You know what I'm saying? Take you a long way. Have a positive mindset, better outlook of everything. But nevertheless, man, like I also say for all my religious folks, keep God first. Keep him in the mix, man. Stay prayed up. You feel me? Ask for guidance, wisdom, knowledge, forgiveness. You know what I'm saying? And try to do better than what you were yesterday. I know we have some habits we can't all contain in one day or 1 week or 1 month. But you gotta be on and off and try to, you know what I'm saying, get right to it, man. We ain't perfect. I'm not telling you that I'm perfect. I'm just telling y'all just try and keep going and don't be believing all this foolery that folks be telling you, man, that make you feel like ain't nothing working. You know what I'm saying? It's within you, man. It's within you. So, but yeah, Cari crew, man. Wise words from your boy. There go that scat pulling back up. But yeah, man. Like I said at the end of my video, man. Hold on. Let's see what bro trying to do. Hit that bit. Let me hit that bit, man. That bit clean. There's a big white dude driving. That mother hard. Hold on. I know y'all can't. Hopefully y'all can see it right there, man. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah. But yeah, man. Nevertheless, man, I had to just see what bro was on. He was hitting the gas though. It just Roger ran over some bull. I wasn't even trying. Roger ran over some bull. I just ran over some BS. I hate the median, bro. It like all the trash just get in the median. Like, that's crazy. It's like all the trash just stay in the median. Like, it don't get in the road. That junk just blow over, like, and stays in the median. That is insane, bro. Hopefully, if I ran over, it was something that was like, that didn't puncture my tire. But it just, you know, make that noise. It pops when you run it over, it cracks. Cause boy, what? Finna check my tires right quick. But yeah, Cari crew, man, like I was saying, man, you know, I pulled those so I could check something. But yeah, man. Like I was saying, man, dang, that just threw me off, I'm not gonna lie. Like I was saying at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.